Hello class, today my speech will be about affordable healthcare. So why is healthcare expensive in the United States? Doctors and nurses get paid more compared to other countries. Drug development and research. And lastly, diagnostic tests and procedures are higher than any other country. Some effects of expensive healthcare. Patients avoid care because of cost. This mainly includes people with low incomes who cannot afford to get treatment. Secondly, higher number of deaths because people who are not being treated. People with cancer, diabetes, and infections. Lastly, poor health can limit one's ability to work. These are some reasons to make healthcare affordable. My first reason is millions of Americans are dying. According to the Guardian Post, high healthcare costs are causing Americans to get sicker from delaying, avoiding, or stopping medical treatment. Second reason, healthcare is a right, not a privilege. You guys may have heard this from presidential candidate Bernie Sanders. In 2018, 27.8 million Americans went without any health insurance for the entire year. My last reason, families should not be losing loved ones because of the costs for treatment. So here are some solutions to make healthcare affordable. My first solution is reduce the cost of prescription drugs. I know from experience going to the pharmacy to pick up some prescription drugs can be overwhelming, sometimes even in the hundreds. So we got to reduce that. Second solution, move from multi-payer healthcare system to single-payer systems. That means multiple groups pay for healthcare, like private health insurances, employers, and the government, which provide Medicare and Medicaid. And my third solution is higher tax rates, which eliminates out-of-pocket costs and premiums and deductibles. So here's some reasons against affordable healthcare. Well, people might say there'll be longer waits at hospitals for treatment. There will be increased taxes for people with higher incomes, and insurance companies would lose money. And that is the end of my persuasive speech on affordable healthcare.